Welcome to GK at Tammushree. Which country has the largest population in the world? A. India, B. China, C. Africa, D. Canada. A. India is the most populated country in the world. China is the second most populated country, and United States is the third most populated country in the world. Which is the largest planet in the solar system? A. Mercury, B. Venus, C. Earth, D. Jupiter. B. Jupiter is the largest planet in solar system. It's about 11 times wider than Earth, with the equatorial diameter of 88,846 miles. Who is considered the founder of Sikhism? A. Guru Nanak, B. Sardar Patel, C. Sivaguru, D. Rajendra Prasad. A. Guru Nanak is considered the founder of Sikhism, and he was born in Punjab. Santosh Trophy is related to which sport? A. Basketball, B. Football, C. Hockey, D. Badminton. C. Football. The Santosh Trophy was started in 1941. Before the National Football League started in 1996, the Santosh Trophy was the top domestic honor in India, and the West Bengal team has won the Santosh Trophy the most, with 32 titles. Which is the largest freshwater lake in the world in the term of area? A. Lake Superior, B. Dal Lake, C. Ullar Lake, D. Pulicat Lake. A. Lake Superior is the world's largest freshwater lake by surface area. It is located in North America on the border of the United States and Canada, and Lake Baikal in Russia is the world's largest freshwater lake by volume. It is also deepest lake in the world. Which is the largest flower in the world? A. Lotus, B. Rafflesia, C. Jasmine, D. Daisy. B. Rafflesia. The Rafflesia arnoldi, also known as crop flower, is the world's largest flower. It can grow to be over 3 feet across and weigh up to 15 pounds. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? A. Thar Desert, B. Gobi Desert, C. Sahara Desert, D. Antarctic Desert. B. Sahara Desert is the world's largest hot desert. It is located in North Africa, and the Sahara is the third largest desert in the world after Antarctica and Arctic. During the day, temperature can be reached as high 50 degrees Celsius, while at night they drop around 0 degrees Celsius. Which is the smallest bird in the world? A. Sparrow, B. Crow, C. Peacock, D. B. Hummingbird. D. B. Hummingbird is the world's smallest bird. The tiny wings beat 80 times in a second in flight. During the courtship flight, the wings beat up to 200 times per second, and male are 5.5 cm long and female are 6.1 cm long. Who wrote Romeo and Juliet? A. William Shakespeare, B. Paul Scott, C. Ben Jonson, D. Jane Austen. A. William Shakespeare. Romeo and Juliet, play by William Shakespeare, written about 1594-96 and first published in an unauthorized canto in 1597, and authorized canto appeared in 1599, substantially longer and more reliable. Who discovered radio? A. Thomas Edison, B. Graham Bell, C. Benjamin Franklin, D. Marconi. Marconi, and Guglielmo Marconi is credited with the invention of the radio, for which he received the Nobel Prize in the Physics in 1909. Who introduced coffee in India? A. Java Junkie, B. Barista, C. Baba Budan, D. Manisha. C. Baba Budan. The legendary Sufi saint Baba Budan is credited introducing coffee in India 17th century. and Bababuddin smuggled 7 coffee beans from Yemen to India in 1670. He planted the beans in Chandragiri hill of Karnataka. The plants were initially a curiosity and spread slowly as backyard plantings. In 18th century, British entrepreneur started commercial coffee plantations in South India. By 19th century, coffee was the established commercial crop being exported to Europe. Who was the longest serving Prime Minister of India? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. Manmohan Singh, C. APJ Abdul Kalam, D. Narendra Modi. A. Jawaharlal Nehru. The longest serving Prime Minister was Jawaharlal Nehru, also the first Prime Minister whose tenure lasted 16 years and 286 days. Which is the longest peninsular river of India? A. Ganga River, B. Krishna River, C. Godavari River, D. Yamuna River. C. Godavari River. And the longest river in Peninsular India is the Godavari River. The Godavari River is also known as Dakshin Ganga. The length of the Godavari River is 1,500 km. Which is the largest freshwater lake in India? A. Pulicat Lake, B. Loktak Lake, C. Dal Lake, D. Ular Lake. Ular Lake is the largest freshwater lake in India. It is also one of the largest freshwater lake in Asia and located in Bandipora district of Jammu and Kashmir under Harmukh mountain range. Which is the largest desert of India? A. Gobi Desert, B. Thar Desert, C. Sahara Desert, D. None of these. B. Thar Desert is the largest desert in India, covering around 77,000 square miles. It is also known as Great Indian Desert. Which is the southernmost point of India? A. Visakhapatnam, B. Kanyakumari, C. Puducherry, D. Indira Point. D. Indira Point. And the southernmost point of India is Indira Point, which is located on Great Nicobar Island in the Andaman Nicobar Islands. Which is the smallest neighboring country of India? A. Bhutan, B. Nepal, C. Bangladesh, D. Sri Lanka. A. Bhutan is the smallest neighboring country of India with the land area about 38,394 square kilometers, and Bhutan is a landlocked country in the north of India. Who is the inventor of electricity? A. Newton, B. Benjamin Franklin, C. Thomas Alva Edison, D. Charles Babbage. B. Benjamin Franklin. Most people give credit to Benjamin Franklin for discovering electricity, and he had one of the greatest scientific minds of his time. He is the author of the famous book Ramacharitmanas. A. Tulsidas, B. Valmiki, C. Vyasa, D. Vikram. A. Tulsidas. And the Ramacharitmanas was written by Tulsidas in 16th century. The poem is distinguished both of its great expression of love for the personal God by its exemplification through its characters of ideal conduct of husband and ruler Rama, wife Sita and brother Lakshmana. Which place is known as Tea Garden of India? A. Assam, B. Uttar Pradesh, C. Gujarat, D. Rajasthan. A. Assam is known as Tea Garden of India because of its large tea plantation and high tea production. And Assam is one of the world's largest tea producing regions. Answer for last video was Rashtrapati Bhavan, and the official residence of President of India is Rashtrapati Bhavan in New Delhi. It is located on Raisina Hill. The video is available on iQuod. Which Indian state has a dog temple? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel and stay connected for more videos. Thank you.